All right. Look at this. We have an old Otis freight elevator. And it is also actually a winding drum freight elevator. Kind of see up there. You can see the machine a little bit. Look. You can see the drum. But anyway, let's close up the doors. Holy crap, those are heavy. I think someone's talking about the other elevator. Look. All right. I feel like I wonder if there's people in the machine room. Almost sounds like the voices are coming from up there. That'd be interesting. Anyway. Oh, right. You have to hold in this button. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the phone here. Let's see if this is a good view. Yeah, that should be decent. You know what? Let's put it right here. Set the phone there. All right. And let's operate the elevator. So here we're gonna pull the handle out, push the button in, get the relay fire, and then down we go. And this elevator is single speed, I believe. Yes, it's single speed. So this is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, one thing noticeably neat about this elevator is that it has a call system, and it doesn't look like there's anyone waiting on one, but someone pushed the button at some point. But what I do is just, and that resets it. So you just get to your floor and you reset it. So, all right, let's put the camera back in its spot here. I really hope this is getting a good bit of footage. And let's bring the elevator back up. So once again, we're going to hit the button to operate it with the doors. And I don't know why, but it has to run like that. And up we go. I think either because the doors are somehow messed up, like one of the door contacts is messed up, or they installed some sort of like newer doors or gate that like doesn't actually activate the old interlock. I don't know. It's all just theories, but for whatever reason, it won't run unless you push it, unless you're holding the door override button. So that's kind of, oh wow, I have a list of range. So, all right, up we go. And that's pretty close if I do say. All right. Pretty neat. Okay, let's open the gate. Someone was smoking a cig in here. Look, someone was smoking a ciggy in here. That's not good. Don't you know you're not supposed to smoke in the elevator? Anyway. Wow, okay, I did not level this very well. But on the bright side, you can see into the hoistway. Ooh. There's the, down there. You can see my finger pointing at it. Over there is the trim and freight elevator, which I'm gonna film as well. But anyway, that's it.